engine singing loud and proud, chasing sunsets in a golden cloud. We don't need no map or fancy plan, just the open road and our trusty van. We are the full moon gypsies, living life wild and free. We are the full moon gypsies, yeah, we're right where we're meant to be.
That was a pretty nice little walk today.
Yeah. Gonna go find the ocean.
Yeah. So this is the area for little walk video. Nice trees, arborvitae up in there.
Yeah.
Quite the hill down though.
Yeah.
What the hell? Welcome back everybody to Full Moon Gypsies.
We spent the first couple weeks of March at Bamberton Provincial Park, just outside of Mill Bay. We had a really nice time there, but when it was time to leave, we realized all we kind of did was eat the whole time. So, we hope you enjoy our camping food. Pardon? No. He's turning. Go. Stir that all up. Just a touch more oats. I went a little shy.
Alright, is it going to soak in there?
A little bit, but we need just a little bit more. I went a little shy because I didn't want it to be too stiff. Alright, there we go. We'll spoon them up. Yeah, they're kind of thin.
I think they'll thicken up. Oh, they're a little thin, eh? Well, we'll see what happens.
We're going with it.
Alright, I gotta help now. Got the haystacks all done.
Cut up some onions. Making some Cajun chicken soup today. Should be delicious.
Bring those onions over? Onions frying up here. Never have too many onions either. Fry up a little bit of chicken in here with the onions.
Alright, add some water. Perfect. Bring it to a boil.
Sure up. That's our base. Get it out of the way. Sorry. Add some carrots and some more onions. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna add the chicken back in with all the other vegetables and stuff.
Ooh, it's so cold out today.
Great day for some soup.
Yeah. There we go. Look at that.
And we were gonna do it with rice, but we're actually gonna do it with some noodles.
Yeah, some fusilli.
We're gonna let this cook up for a little bit, and then we'll add in our fusilli noodles.
Okay, we're adding the fusilli. There we go.
Let's see. Just go just a tiny bit.
How much?
Yeah, that'll be good.
All right. Good?
Yeah, I think that's good. Because
Okay.
they'll fatten out.
Yeah.
All right. There's our chicken noodle soup.
It's ready. Got some good buns and butter inside. I'm just gonna have a feast.
That old 88 Econoline, she don't have no window views. Just the rumble of the engine is the only news I use.
Shake up some
This steel
bacon.
box is my home. The highway is my view. Got the spirit of a gypsy and my old Ford to see me through. Home is where I park it.